welcome to the beach. This is a bit of a strange backdrop, but there again it's not, because the thing is with British Columbia, it always prides itself on we have a climate here where you can be on the beach in the morning and be on the mountain skiing in the afternoon. So a week ago, yeah, 2 weeks ago, I went off for an adventure and I took my Honda Element and I went off skiing to Cyprus. And the thing is with Cyprus, it's one of those mountains that's just at the side of Vancouver, and it has this fantastic view from the top of the Puget Sound, all the islands, going up towards Squamish, that kind of stuff. It's beautiful. So I thought what I'd do is have a bit of an adventure in my element and go up there, do some skiing, but also take my drone up and fly it from the top of Cyprus and see if I could capture Puget Sound and all that sort of thing. So I had a fantastic day. But first things first, before I show you the video, is I please would love you to subscribe. The channel's starting to grow a bit now and it's quite exciting, but I really need people to start subscribing. It would really help me. So the subscribe button is just down there, and also ring the bell for notifications if you like these videos, of course, and then I can start putting some more together. As I say, I've got a whole summer of exciting things going on at the moment, and yeah, can't wait to share them with you. So cue the skiing video. Okay, so driving up, I'm finding out that a couple of my camera ideas are not kind of holding together, which is typical of these things. This is one of these suction cups, so I'm trying to film with the camera here, and of course the suction cup gives way. It's almost like you've got to either screw everything down or really stick it down. I mean, even these little pads you get with GoPros, they're really not that sticky. They're supposed to be those 3M things, but I just don't find them that sticky. Everything seems to be falling off. This one seems to be holding up okay. I've had to stick this on, so, but anyway. So, enough bleating, but I'm going skiing. So I thought I'd bring my Honda Element up to Cyprus Mountain, up well, it's just at the side of Vancouver. It's one of the really nice mountains. So it's got one of the most really amazing views from the top of there. So what I intend to do is go skiing and take my drone up and hopefully fly it up off of there, or over there, and see if I can get the sound and all that kind of stuff. So, well, one thing is these things are absolutely made for skiing, because it's just the design of them. They're just awesome. You can get everything in them. Then you've got this natty little tailgate here, which you can sit on and put your stormtrooper boots on. So really kind of impressed with it. It's ace. So one thing with buying a Honda Element, why buy a Honda Element? I saw one review on the internet and they said that the Honda Element is the equivalent of buying comfy shoes. The equivalent of buying comfortable shoes. I don't know kind of what that means. Is it boring or is it comfy? It's comfy. Yeah, unlike these bloody things. These are not comfy. Yes. So the Honda Element aspires to the MacBook Pro generation. Guess that's me. And what did it say? If you are under 40 years old, you hate the orange colour, and if you're over, you actually quite like it. And I quite like the orange colour. Yeah, but mine's a nice conservative black colour. Doesn't kind of stand out too much. So the thing with the Honda Element is everybody said that it was kind of ugly, and I don't understand that. And what I think, like when you look at a lot of these cars in this car park, I think it come out before its time. It's one of the first square cars that come out, but when you look on the road now, trying to see if there's any in the car park, if not I'll flash a few photographs up, there's a lot of square boxy looking cars. So I think this actually looks now quite cool. It did then, but it looks even more cool now. Yeah. Okay, thing I hate doing is putting on my ski gear. So, okay, so finally got ready. This is probably the first time I've been skiing in about 2 years easily. So I'm going to take it steady today. Weather's changing, it's blowing in here. So my mountain's sucked in with cloud at the moment. So, but I'm hoping I might get a break in the cloud later on and take this drone up. So that's kind of my idea. So let's go. Look at that car. Isn't she beautiful? Comfy shoes. I've got this thing around my mouth because it's quite difficult to take on and off. It's behind a balaclava. Used to get those knitted for me as a kid. Used to be like a Christmas present. A balaclava. Okay, welcome to Cyprus Mountain. Just looking at this weather, I've got a load of blue sky over there, so I'm hoping that'll edge this way. Yeah. Okay, so it's the first time in 2 years I've been skiing, so I ain't got a clue what I'm going to do, but I hope I can pick it up without breaking my leg. And weather's cheered up. Clouds lifted, so hopefully I can get my drone flying, so that'll be good. And it's quite warm, so I can take my balaclava and all that bloody rubbish off and breathe. Yay! So, see what happens when we get to the top. Okay, I'm going to do my first run. I'm only going to film one of these runs for once, I think. I'm just going to put the GoPro on top of my helmet. I put some fixtures on my skis, but I don't think they're going to be strong enough, and I'll probably lose my camera halfway down. So I'm going to stick it up here and see if I can get down to the bottom without falling over. Now the other go, before I just do this, is that's what I'm wanting to film over there, all those mountains and the sound. So what I'm going to do is go down to the bottom and go up that mountain there. It's 2 lifts up onto the top and then fly my drone over there. Looks as though this blue's in for a bit, so bloody lucky. Okay, window of opportunity. Seem to be above the weather here. All the clouds are lulling into that valley there. But my window of opportunity is kind of up there. And I'm going to fly my drone up there if it'll let me. So. Okay, so I think I'm going to give it a go here. Looks pretty neat. Okay, so I think I got it. This thing's peeping like mad because my battery's flat. I think we caught it. A long, tired walk back to my car. My legs feel like jelly. Oh. Bloody hell. Okay, well that was successful. Phew, got to do what I wanted to do. Weather's been absolutely fantastic, so that was good fun. I enjoy skiing and flying. It's a really good thing to do. I thought I was on my own doing it, but I did spot another guy do it. I've got the same idea, doing a bit of skiing and a bit of drone flying. So okay, back to my car. Got to get the heater on. I've got these god awful snow boots off. They're killing my feet. They're really not comfortable. Get in the car, get it warmed up, and then start making my way to Chilliwack. And then hopefully, because the other problem is with these DJI drone things, is you don't know what you've got until you get home. I could have spent the entire day shooting nothing. I just hope it's all written to card and it's done what it's supposed to do. I think it has. I'm just being worried. So, okay, let's go home.